At the bottom left corner of your screen, under Global Preferences and Settings, you will see the last option, which is Keyboard Shortcuts. Click on that and you will be able to see all the shortcuts that will work on the Infurnia platform. You can use any of this to make your designing experience better. For example, the first option is WA, which is Draw Straight Walls. So technically, it's this option, Straight Walls. So when you type WA, the wall tool gets activated and you can draw any wall that you want. So now another room is created. Please ensure that when you are using the shortcuts, suppose it is WA, then you press W and A in quick succession for the tool to get activated. If there is a significant amount of time lapse between W and A, then the tool will not get selected.